In this video, we're going to debunk a statement on Amazon that the Crystal Series Multimedia Controller Knob does not fit for a BMW 3 Series, the new G20. Here we have an iDrive assembly for a 2020 BMW M340i. I'll take this off here. We'll go nice and slow so you can track all the steps. Here is the updated installation instruction that we're going to follow. So to start with, we put the controller flat here, and then we go to step 1 of the instruction. It's taking the blue tool that comes with the kit and remove the trim ring from the controller. This takes a little bit of effort. You need to do it several positions to make it come off. There we go. There's one step there. Here it comes here. All right, just need a little bit more here. There we go. It's almost complete now. All right. And we come to step 2. It's loosen the fastener of the ribbon cable. So if I pull this up here, you'll see inside here there is a cable. You can pull this out a little bit because there's extra length to the cable. Then in here is the fastener. So you use the blue tool, put that in here, and edge out the fastener on both sides. And then the cable should come off. There we go. It's snapped off there. Then we go to the next step. We take the touchpad assembly, and we're gonna push it down and holding the ring until it comes loose. Okay, here it comes. There, it's off. Now we want to peel off the touchpad surface layer from the printed circuit board. So we insert the blue tool here. Try to get a opening here. And the first part is the most difficult. After that is it's pretty easy. Okay. There we got it. It's coming here. It helps if you have strong fingers when you do this. And when you get a grip on it, you can start peeling it off all the way. Remove the plastic ring as well. There we go. That's off. Put this over here. And what's the next step? It is to peel off the adhesive film here. So, similar procedure. Try to get a grip on it. Sometimes easier with your finger. The other grip here. It's starting to come off here. Okay. It takes some patience to do this. The reason we're peeling this off is to get a better fit for the product. If you have double adhesives here, there could be a gap between the touchpad and the trim ring, and that we don't want. We want the perfect fit. Half they were there. Almost done. There we go. Put this over here. All right. So we've done this. We're at step 3 and now item 4. We take out the crystal touchpad from the package. Remove the trim ring and remove an adhesive protection here from the touchpad itself. Put that away here. So there's the product here. So now we need to remove the adhesive on the back side of the touchpad. Should be, I mean, we remove not the adhesive but the protective film of the adhesive, like that. That's done. Okay. Now we need to align the arrows on the touchpad with the arrow cutouts in the printed circuit board. It's important to get this right, so we'll take a little time finding the right place here. Actually easier to do if you do it this way. If you can see through it. I'll just put it here and I'll do it from this side. Okay. looks like we missed a little bit here, so I'm gonna take it off and put it back in a better position. We'll use a light here to get this right. So you should see this better with a light. Sorry. Right. You can adjust it a little bit as we press together here. Okay, what's the next step? It's to place the plastic ring on top of the printed circuit board, making sure that the tabs fit here. So there's two tabs sticking out here, and then there's the arrows that need to line up with the arrows. So the two tabs go in these two holes here, and it's either this way or this way. There we go. There we have a good fit. All right. Now we need to put back this clip for the cable that came off. So we'll put that back on. All right. And then we want to get the cable into its place again. I think we turned the clip the wrong way. I'll take it off. Okay. I think we'll stop the video here while I clean this up.